Go.
Wait, I'm on?
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, you're on.
Okay, I'm Megan.
I'm Cheyenne.
And that little episode was me pretending to be a model. Alright. We got dared by chaine. Yes, I wrote that on my hand. She dared us to do... Okay. She dared us to,
Music's very distracting, especially when it's One Direction.
Yeah. She dared us to, burp. Like, do a modeling and burp.
Share your hand. We don't know which one. You just gotta tell us. We just really don't know. Oh, we're guessing it's a girl.
Well, I don't know. But, he/she told us to... Don't... It's rude, okay. She told us... Well, I'm just going to say she because that's the first thing that comes to mind because it has he in it, so close enough. Basically, what I'm thinking is they told us to model the jeans and say what brand we were wearing, but burp the name. Very interesting. So we thought we'd take a challenge. Cheyenne needs a little practice. She's working on it.
Sorry, it takes a while for this to process in my stomach.
Okay, well...
A verbal command, though.
Yes. What? Yo, burp. Yeah. I'm just terrified of what Lewis might be thinking at this moment, but alright.
Or Harry.
Yeah, she's in love with Harry. She's in love.
Don't touch him!
Ow. Okay. She's in love with Harry, and I'm in love with Lewis. Okay.
I can't, I'm so practicing.
Okay. As you can see, I can't easily burp it, I guess. I don't know. It's not a very good thing. Go. Now just do your catwalk thing. Do your catwalk. And now turn around. Go back to the back. She's got little designs on the back. Okay. I'm doing it. Woohoo! Hold on.
American law. It's supposed to be saying eagle, not law, but okay, that works too. Okay, model.
Okay, fine. I can do it. But... Got a little bump on my butt too.
Okay, hurry, try it again, fast. Fast, hurry, chop, chop.
I just can't do it. I could do it earlier, but I can't do it now. You want to show us my end?
Well, it's like it says American burping. I can't get the eagle part in.
American eagle.
Okay,
And the
now
boy
it's
flipped over.
now it's time for us to start real quick.
Yeah, we're gonna do another strut. Yeah.
This thing will turn out.
Yeah, she's.
Little ocean in his hair.
What?
Turn. Okay, dance now.
Oh yeah. An idea that we had was trying to somehow. Wait, sit down a little bit. Was trying to somehow do a vlog every week. We'd have to work out some details because she's kind of just over at my house for a little bit, but we could work out some details.
We're
and maybe do it.
sisters, can't you tell? We're twins.
We're not related.
Yeah, not really, we're just best friends. High five! We
Oh
walk.
yeah, I thought I would show you something very directionary. It's not. Wait. What? Okay, that's my cell phone. Very
Okay,
directional.
nobody wants to see your cell phone.
Well, it was very
Bye!
Adios.